Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Mulimathi Lodge. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Featuring a garden, Mulimathi Lodge is located in Midu in the Addu Atoll region, a 3-minute walk from Eedhigamoolu Beach. The property has a shared kitchen, a shared lounge and organizing tours for guests. At the guesthouse, rooms contain air conditioning, a closet, a balcony with a garden view, a private bathroom, a flat-screen TV, bed linen and towels. The rooms are equipped with an electric teapot, while certain rooms are equipped with a kitchen with a fridge, a microwave and a stovetop. A continental, American or Asian breakfast is available each morning at the property. Mulimathi Lodge can conveniently provide information at the reception to help guests to get around the area. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.